Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see CBSE Grade 12 Maths, exercise 5.4, question number 6 to 10. Question number 6, let us see question number 6. E power x plus e power x squared plus e power x cube plus e power x power 5. It is nothing but in between e power x power 4. So dy by dx is e power x if you differentiate, e power x only. E power x squared if you differentiate, it is e power x squared, then x squared will be differentiate 2x. Same case, e power x cube differentiate 3x squared, then e power x power 4, 4x cube, then e power x power 5, 5x power 4. That's all. Copy பண்ணுங்க. Let okay, you can simplify, not simplify. Write it e power x plus 2x e power x squared plus 3x squared e power x cube plus 4x cube e power x power 4 plus 5x power 4 e power x power 5. Copy பண்ணிக்கோ. Let it copy. Okay. Now we will go to next question. Square root of e power square root x. First we have to differentiate this one. What is this actually? Let y equal to e power x power of, like this first you put. Then what is dy by dx of e power x power of, x power of is root x, power minus of, x to the power of n is nx to the power of n minus 1. Okay. Then we differentiated only this one. Then we have to do this one. E power root x. E power something will be e power something. Then we have to differentiate that something. E power root x. Root x if we differentiate, half x to the power of minus of. So we can do it. This 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 will be 1 by 4. Then x power minus of, if it comes to the denominator, x power of. X power of means root x. Then this power minus of will become e power root x. Copy down until now. Then what else? This one only. So e power root x. So the final answer will be this one, this one, this square is that one. So please see here. Okay, e power root x divided by square root of e power root x will be 1 by 4 root x e power root x square. Understand? E power root x divided by square root of e power 2x. For example, 5 over root 5. What will come? Root 5. The same happened. Okay. Denominator should not be 0. At the same time, square root should not be negative. So x is greater than 0. Okay, copy down. Then question number 8, very simple. Log x, if we differentiate 1 by x, 1 by log x, then log x again differentiate, it is 1 by x. That x I am putting here. Very simple. dy by dx is equal to 1 over x log x. Log should not be negative. After the log come this value, x value should not be negative. So x should be greater than 1. Not should be log x, x should be more than 1. Okay, question number 9. Simple. V u dash minus u v dash. dy by dx is equal to v. V is log x. U dash cos x is minus sin x. Minus cos x. Log x, if you differentiate, 1 by x. Divided by log x square. V u dash minus u v dash. Take LCM. Here multiply with x, x. So minus x log x sin x minus cos x divided by x. Then whole divided by square of log x. That we can write log x whole square. So x should be greater than 0. Copy it down. Very simple. V u dash minus u v dash. Copy it. Okay. Question number 10, it is very easy. Y dy by dx is equal to minus sin log x plus e power x. Then log x, if you differentiate, 1 by x. E power x, if you differentiate, e power x. We can stop here, that one. We want to simplify, just to multiply with x, x. So what would be there? Minus 1 plus x e power x sin log x plus e power x over x. X should be greater than 0. Copy down. Question 6 to 10 are very simple one. Thank you for watching my videos. Please leave your opinion in the comment box.